In this Blender tutorial for beginners, I will show you how I make animations using sprite sheets. The sprite sheet that I will be using in this tutorial is linked in the description. If you want to follow along, you will need the Animation All add-on and the Import Images as Planes add-on. I will import the sprite sheet while I'm in top view and look dev mode. Then I'll rotate the sprite sheet until it is flat. And scale it up by 5. In the UV editing workspace, I scale the sprite sheet along the y-axis by 0.2 since there are 5 columns, and I also scale it along the x-axis by 0.1 since there are 9 rows. In edit mode, I scale down the UV so it fits around the first sprite of the walk cycle, which is in the lower left-hand corner. Since I want the character to walk to the right, in object mode, I rotate the sprite around the y-axis 180 degrees. At the bottom of the viewport, I drag out another area and I open up the dope sheet. In the properties panel, I open up the Anim All and I choose UV for the selection. Then I tab into edit mode, and I do this since I'll need to move the UV. On frame 1, I click on Insert to add a keyframe. On frame 5, I move the UV along the x-axis. Onto the second sprite and insert a keyframe. And I repeat this process for every 5 frames until I have all 8 sprites keyed. In the Output Properties tab, I change my end frame to 35. In the Animation workspace, I select my camera. In Object Mode, I clear the rotation with Alt-R and the location with Alt-G. And I move the camera up along the Z-axis until I can see the character in the camera view. Now when I play the animation, you'll see that the character is sliding between the frames. This is obviously not what I want to happen. On the graph editor, I select all the frames with A, and I right-click to bring up the F-curve context menu. Under interpolation mode, I choose constant. Now when I play the animation, I don't see the sliding. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this useful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Have a good day.